Hello Lagos. I'm David, a technical engineer from Resource Team Company. Are you tired of dealing with building issues? Don't worry, because this August, we're here to transform your spaces. From roof repairs to waterproofing, from pest control to interior renovations, we've got it all covered. Our team of skilled professionals is dedicated to revitalizing your buildings, ensuring they stand strong against the challenges of time and weather. But that's not all. You have the power to earn while you enhance your space. Our referral program allows you to refer customers to us and earn commission. It's a win-win situation. Help others discover the benefits of Resource Team Company while reaping the rewards yourself. Join our growing family of satisfied customers and partners. Your trust in us drives our commitment to excellence. We value every relationship we build and strive to exceed expectations with each project we undertake. Ready to transform your building? Reach out to us today. Our hotline, 0806 677 4861, is open 24/7 for your inquiries. Our dedicated team is ready to discuss your building maintenance requirements and provide you with the best solutions. Resource Team Company, your trusted building solution provider in Lagos. Let's build together, with integrity, expertise, and a shared vision for a stronger, more resilient future. Visit our website, www.resourceteam.com.ng, to explore our comprehensive range of services and learn more about how we can serve you. Thank you, Lagos, for entrusting us with your buildings. We look forward to partnering with you on your journey towards better, more vibrant spaces. Resource Team Company, your building's best friend.